Meaning of dab. Dab. Dab.
Dab. Dab. Dab has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it refers to a small amount of something applied with a quick and light touch. As a verb, it can mean to apply something in this manner or to suddenly move in a particular direction. In slang, dabbing refers to a dance move where one leans forward and simultaneously raises one arm while tucking their head into the opposite arm's crook. In terms of cannabis use, dabbing refers to the act of inhaling the vapor produced by heating a concentrated form of the drug.